WooCommerce store owners want to boost sales now? Push notifications are your secret weapon. Let's set up Push Engage and get started in minutes. First, make sure you have the Push Engage plugin installed in WooCommerce. Connecting Push Engage is just a few clicks. Connect your existing account or sign up for a new one right from WooCommerce. Super simple. Next, set up your subscription pop-up to build your subscriber list. Customize the look and message to match your brand. Pop-up done? Hit Next and choose Initial Campaigns. Preview them and decide if they're for admins, customers, or both. Edit later if you want. Choose a retargeting strategy to segment your audience. Use existing segments, product categories, or the default Customers and Leads segments. Just toggle and go. Now, enable automated journeys like cart and browse abandonment. These are key for recovering sales. Click through to your Push Engage dashboard to manage everything. Find WooCommerce dashboard and move to Settings, then Push Notifications tab. Here you will see list of default campaigns available for both admins and customers. Toggle notification types for admins or customers. Remember, only subscribers get notifications. To edit admin notifications, find the campaign and click Manage. Enable admin push notifications for store actions. Choose specific admin roles to receive them if needed. For each campaign, set a title, message, and URL. Use variables like order ID in order notifications for detail. Now let's switch gears to customer notifications. You can use the default campaigns that are already in WooCommerce settings, or you can get a little more creative and make your own custom campaigns using in your Push Engage dashboard. We've also got some pre-built automated trigger campaigns that are ready to roll. You can also send out campaigns when new products are added to notify customers, or manage campaigns from Orders screen. To edit those default customer campaigns, click Manage next to the campaign you want to change. Check that little box to send notifications to customers. So, for example, with a retry purchase request notification, you can customize the title, the message, and link it straight to the checkout page to make it super easy for customers. Want to send out a quick announcement or a promo? Use push broadcasts. We've got a bunch of templates to make it really easy to create eye-catching push notifications for your customers. Once you are on the products page, you can also send out campaigns as you are adding the products. It is easy to add the product title and description and scroll down to Push Engage push notification settings to check the box, edit title if needed, and announce your new launches in few clicks. From your orders page, you can automatically send out an order status update or collect a review once this is delivered. This makes it easier for your admin teams to manage the campaigns. The default campaigns are set up, but if you want to send a review campaign again or go ahead and send an order status update, this one-click button can help you send out a push campaign quickly. You can also send out a bulk announcements for your newly added products. Right after uploading multiple products, you can announce your new summer collection or recent launches with one click and also customize it before sending. And last, automated trigger campaigns are like your secret weapon. These are triggered by specific events and are designed to help you hit specific goals, like getting those abandoned carts back. They're already pre-created for you. All you have to do is enable them and watch them work their magic. In just a few clicks and within 10 minutes, you've connected your WooCommerce store to Push Engage and set up some seriously powerful campaigns to keep your customers engaged and your team in the loop. If you happen to get stuck or have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help you out. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.